Welcome to the Women Who Code Podcast's 2023 retrospective celebration. I'm Elena Percival, CEO and co-founder of Women Who Code. In this episode, Women Who Code leaders from every facet of our work will be talking about some of the special moments that have helped to define the last year while celebrating our mission and our community. 2023 was a year of growth and transformation for Women Who Code. We expanded our reach and are now serving 360,000 technologists worldwide while rededicating ourselves to meeting our members where they are by reintroducing in-person and hybrid events, along with hosting 1,600 virtual events and major developer conferences. Over $600,000 in career-transforming scholarships have been awarded, and our on-demand library of educational content has expanded to 2,200 videos. This year has been filled with inspiration as we continue to work toward an industry where diverse women and historically excluded people thrive at every level. The Women Who Code community has never been stronger, and our mission has never been more important. So please join me and other Women Who Code leaders as we reflect on some of the pivotal moments that shaped 2023.
Hi, I'm Grecia Castaldi, Director of Community at Women Who Code. In 2023, the Women Who Code community has done phenomenal things, especially through our Days of Code Challenge, Women Who Code Hackathon for Social Good, and Women Who Code App Deploy Hackathon. These programs allowed our community to grow their technical skills in a safe, friendly environment that held them accountable and provided resources to support their projects. The Days of Code Challenge allowed participants to choose their commitment level, ranging from 7 to 100 days of coding. Throughout the challenge, we saw technical skills grow, along with the confidence that comes from being consistent, solving problems, creating something, and having the support of their body and community. This year's Hackathon for Social Good was an opportunity for diverse technologies to use their tech skills to create a solution for social good, with over 60 projects submitted by technologists who felt empowered to be innovative and make a social change. The winning projects were Thoughtful Awareness, a mobile application for health and wellness, the Mentor Orchestra team with AI and ML for women empowerment, Creative Studio with AI and ML for education, and Food Bits, a mobile application for agriculture and food supply chain. We also appreciate Passage by 1Password sponsoring this event and their participation in the hackathon. The first Women Who Code App Deploy Hackathon with Google Play allowed participants to build their Android skills by creating an app deployed in the Google Play Store. Winners were recently announced and can be found across Women Who Code platforms. Seeing our global community continuously show up, participate, and exhibit their excellence and desire to do amazing things as technologists is why Women Who Code's mission to empower diverse and historically excluded individuals to excel in their tech careers is so important.
Hello, I'm Sandy Welfare, the Chief Development Officer at Women Who Code, and I'd like to talk about Women Who Code to the finish line. This was an extraordinary event that brought people together from around the world for a movement-based fundraiser that connected us as a community and united us as a force for good. Women Who Code to the finish line was a highly accessible event, encouraging people to engage in a 1 mile or 1.6 kilometer movement to support Women Who Code's mission and vision. Individuals had the freedom to participate by walking, jogging, or rolling, and they could go solo or they could gather together in groups. The important thing is that we were all united as a single force behind one cause in support of diversity, equity, and inclusion. This was Women Who Code's first movement-based fundraiser, and it was conducted as a blend of virtual and in-person participation. That was a powerful demonstration of the organization's adaptability and how we have evolved through the quarantine of recent years and are re-emerging as a force for in-person and virtual support of diverse technologists. The significance of Women Who Code to the finish line transcended fundraising. This was a tangible moment that our members and partners shared worldwide, and a clear demonstration of the remarkable impact that we can have when we come together as a community for women.
Hi, I'm Natalia Days, Senior Director of Communications and Marketing at Women Who Code. The Women Who Code moment I'd most like to celebrate this year is the 2023 Applaud Her Awards and 100 Technologists to Watch. The 2023 Applaud Her Awards 100 Technologists to Watch, the first ever digital awards for Women Who Code, elevated influential leaders in tech, recognizing outstanding and innovative contributions to the industry and honoring our mission to empower diverse women to excel in technology careers. We received hundreds of nominations from around the world, highlighting the accomplishments of technologists from a range of backgrounds who have achieved excellence, innovated the industry, and shown leadership in their respective fields. From empowering tech for social good to excellence in engineering, we celebrated 100 exceptional women who code, highlighting their contributions to tech in our ever-evolving and interconnected world. These technologists are breaking barriers in social change and disrupting industries like fintech and security to create pathways for other technologists. Out of the 100 phenomenal technologists celebrated, we also honored 11 for making an impact in distinct categories, including outstanding executive, emerging technology, leading change, and empowering tech for social good. We even highlighted 7 technical specific areas in front end, data science, blockchain, cloud, mobile, Python, and security. We honored the Boeing Company with the Women Who Code Mission Award for their commitment to empowering diverse technologists globally by improving the representation and inclusion of women both internally and in STEM careers, including leadership. We're excited to continue elevating women in tech in this way in the future. So be sure to follow us on social to find out when nominations are open again.
Hi, I am Grecia Castaldi, Director of Community at Women Who Code. One of our most exciting announcements in 2023 was the Women Who Code Emerging Technologies track launch. At Women Who Code, technical tracks are one way for our members to engage globally in curated programming around areas of expertise, including cloud, mobile, data science, front-end, Python, and blockchain. The track communities help advance members' technical careers. In July, we made the decision to transform the blockchain track into something more expansive for our community. The new Women Who Code Emerging Technologies track supports our members' needs towards an ever-evolving landscape of technology and innovation. Emerging tech hints at the shift towards a broader spectrum of cutting-edge topics in areas such as AI, ML, and data security. The launch of Women Who Code Emerging Technologies was about making the technical track more dynamic, while having the ability to adapt the programming as new technologies continue to emerge. This move showcases Women Who Code's continued commitment to fostering a dynamic, inclusive environment for women in technology, and we look forward to all the ways it evolves and blossoms as our current and future leadership fellows lead the way for the community.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie Bryant, Senior Program Project Manager at Women Who Code. Throughout 2023, Women Who Code has hosted exciting virtual developer conferences and summits for our community of diverse technologists, where they could learn technical and career skills while also networking with fellow attendees and company representatives. Women Who Code Connect Empower took place on March 2nd in celebration of Women's History Month. Attendees had a full day of keynotes, talks, and workshops led by brilliant, diverse speakers on a wide range of topics. They also engaged in networking opportunities and visited the expo area, where they interacted with companies like Deloitte, DraftKings, Ally Financial, Block, SiriusXM, the Boeing Company, SpaceX, and Wix. This summer, we held our Women Who Code Mobile and Web Dev Summit, led by our Women Who Code Mobile, Cloud, and Front-End tracks. The event was a half day of technical and career talks specific to the industry, ranging from accessibility, best coding practices for Swift, app building, design, and more. We also held the Women Who Code Block Data Pi Dev Summit, where attendees received hands-on learning and gained tools and resources to level up their technical careers in blockchain, data science, and Python-specific topics. Women Who Code Connect Asia 2023 was a full-day virtual conference hosted by our Women Who Code Asia and Women Who Code Australia networks. We were excited to host this conference for our global community and cater to their time zones with a dynamic lineup of technical and career talks, workshops, and keynotes, given by amazing diverse speakers sharing their experience with attendees. You can find all the sessions from these dev conferences and summits in playlists on the Women Who Code YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm Natalia Days, Senior Director of Communications and Marketing at Women Who Code, and we cannot celebrate 2023 without recognizing the 2023 Women Who Code Equal Pay Survey. The Women Who Code Equal Pay Survey has been conducted since 2018, is an annual report designed to better understand and amplify the perspectives of professional women in the technology industry. This year, participants from 59 countries shared their experiences in tech and answered questions about salary, benefits, lifestyle flexibility, and opportunities available to grow in their careers. The report shows that fair and competitive compensation was the most important part of a company's offerings for women in tech, yet only 37% of participants felt that pay equality could be achieved in their lifetimes. Our work to raise awareness about the gender and wage gap in tech continues, and we're committed to advocating for pay equity and inclusion for women and non-binary technologists, conducting research that advances our mission and empowers our vision of a tech industry where diverse women and historically excluded people thrive at every level. Be sure your voice is heard when the Women Who Code Equal Pay Survey opens in 2024.
This is one of my favorite times of year because we can look back at the most impactful memories, and none of this would be possible if it weren't for our generous sponsors and donors. So I want to take a special moment to thank the individuals and organizations out there supporting this mission. Companies that support us make our work possible through generous contributions and partnerships while actively supporting and participating in the community. Partners shared thought leadership with us during events like S3's Laying Your Dream Career, Resume Best Practices, and Block's A New Rhythm, Unlocking Economic Empowerment. Ally and Block also broadened their connections and impact with our community when they hosted booths at our annual technical conference. Many team members from our partner companies also shared their time and knowledge with us this year on our podcast. We had fantastic speakers like Xijing Zhu, who's Senior Manager of Data Science at the Home Depot, Alyssa Gonzalez, VP of Customer Experience and Program Management at SiriusXM, and Carrie Sumlin, Deposits Online and Mobile Executive at Ally. Sharing your best technical jobs with the Women Who Code community is an important step in diversifying your technical applicants. So I want to give a special mention to Walgreens for having the most consistent job board postings throughout the year, ensuring that opportunities were always available for the Women Who Code community. Sharing our successes is important. And I want to say a special thank you to Boeing for sponsoring the Women Who Code Applaud Her Awards. We also couldn't do the work that we do without the philanthropic support of organizations like the Coca-Cola Company, VMware, and Craig Newmark. Finally, Deloitte was a top funder this year who generously provided consistent support to our community. They posted jobs and ensured that we can continue our mission, empowering diverse women to excel in technology careers. So thank you to all who sponsored, donated, or volunteered to support the Women Who Code community.
Hello, everyone. I'm Joey Rosenberg, President, Product and Communications here at Women Who Code. 2023 has been a year filled with incredible moments, making it hard to choose just one. I have to say, though, I was particularly excited about the launch of our new digital member experience and the reimagining of our new website at womenwhocode.com. The new member experience is a project that has been the result of a lot of ambition, a lot of planning, a lot of listening, and a lot of feedback from our community. Our goal has always been to meet our members' needs in flexible ways, and with our new member dashboard, we've created a platform where we can do that. Through a curated content system, members are matched directly to content that caters to their technical and career goals. Whether it's jobs, resources, or upcoming events, they receive real-time updated opportunities that align to their career profiles. This is integrated with the Women Who Code job board, which is already an impressive system that connects diverse technologists to technical opportunities with companies across our community, and with our community pages, which also deliver real-time, updated, relevant content related to networks and technical tracks that members join. We also give the website a comprehensive makeover, matching it to the new Women Who Code brand. This update is better aligned with web accessibility best practices, making it more inclusive, and it more closely aligns with the vibrancy and rich diversity of our community. We're excited about everything we've been able to accomplish with the new member experience this year, and we're just getting started. There are new features and new functionality in the works right now. Stay tuned as we create even more ways to connect you and members around the globe to exciting opportunities that elevate your career.
It is an honor and privilege to be part of such an extraordinary community, to be able to support its mission and vision. Women Who Code is important because these special moments happen every day at our events, in our tracks, through the connections of support made between members, and through the learning and career growth that has real-world impact on professional success. Thank you to everyone who has been part of this journey, and I look forward to many more memorable moments.